As the birthplace of Chinese civilization, the starting point of the Silk Road, and one of the four ancient capitals of the world, Xi'an is the center of Western China, a base for education, industry, science and technology, and an international metropolis supported by the National Development Plan. It is a city that integrates the charm of the old and the new. At the end of the Qing dynasty, Shanxi Imperial College was founded in Xi'an with the signed approval of the Emperor Guangxu. This marked the start of Northwest University. In the 1930s, National Peiping University, National Peiping Normal University, National Peiyang Institute of Technology, and Peiping Research Institute moved westward to Xi'an, and National Northwest United University came into being, born of the effort to preserve a precious educational heritage from the fires of war. After the founding of the People's Republic of China, Northwest University was affiliated to the Ministry of Education and the Shanxi Province. In 1978, it was identified as a National Key University. At present, Northwest University is listed under the World First Class Discipline Initiative, Project 211, and jointly administered by the Shanxi Provincial Government and the Ministry of Education of China. Northwest University has three campuses, Taipei, Taoyuan, and Chang'an, covering a total area of around 400 acres. It offers 88 bachelor programs, 137 master programs, and 65 PhD programs sponsored by 24 departments and the graduate school. At present, it has 2,975 faculty members, including 4 academicians of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, 10 academicians with dual appointments, and 21 Changjiang scholars. The student body includes over 13,000 undergraduates and 9,000 postgraduates. Among them, there are about 1,500 international students. Northwest University has maintained a high academic stature. In the latest round of National Disciplinary Evaluation organized by the Ministry of Education, Archaeology at Northwest University tied for number 1, Geology ranked number 3, Theoretical Economics and History of Science and Technology both ranked number 5, World History number 6, Geological Resources and Geological Engineering number 8. 6 disciplines including geoscience, chemistry, engineering, material science, clinical medicine, as well as pharmacology and toxicology, rank among the top 1% according to Essential Science Indicators. In the 2017 Shanghai Ranking Consultancy's academic ranking of world universities, Northwest University ranked among the top 500 universities in the world. In the Times Higher Education World University Rankings 2019, Northwest University ranked 43rd in mainland China. Northwest University was also listed among the world's renowned universities by the Encyclopedia Britannica. Northwest University is committed to cultivating talents with humanity, social responsibility, innovation and international vision. It is honored as the mother of all talents and cradle of economists and writers. Distinguished alumni include Wang Qishan, the Vice President of China, the contemporary writers Jia Pinghua and Shi Zijian, the economists Liu Shijin, Zhang Weiying, and Wei Jie. To date, Northwest University has nurtured 28 academicians of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the Chinese Academy of Engineering, and 6 academicians at international research institutes. With a history that spans over 100 years, Northwest University is guided by a strategy of opening up. It is embracing the world by keeping abreast of global trends in higher education and promoting the internationalization of faculty development, student cultivation, and construction of first-class disciplines. Northwest University's internationalization is being further enhanced through developing the profile of overseas study at Northwest University and through deepening exchanges with the Belt and Road countries. In the last 5 years, Northwest University has signed agreements of collaboration with more than 100 institutions of higher education in over 20 countries. Extensive international exchanges have produced fruitful results. More than 40 major international and regional scientific research collaboration projects have been carried out. 5 international joint laboratories have been established. More than 40 high-level international conferences have been held at Northwest University. For undergraduate programs, geological engineering, resource exploration engineering, software engineering, and chemical engineering and technology have passed the International Certification of Engineering Education. 1,626 Northwest University students have been engaged in exchange programs facilitated by national and intercollegiate exchange programs. 2,281 international students have been enrolled in degree programs. 257 foreign teachers have been recruited to teach at Northwest University. Besides, 11 sessions of Nobel Prize forums have been launched inviting Nobel laureates to deliver lectures at Northwest University. Furthermore, a number of educational institutions have also been set up, including the Institute of Silk Road Studies, the Central Asia Institute, the Confucius Institute at Northwest Nazarene University in the United States, the Confucius Institute at Bulacan State University in the Philippines, and Hantan Institute International. Facing up to the new era, Northwest University will intensively integrate its own development with the Belt and Road development, expand opening up in education, stimulate the coordinated development of internationalization through shifting the focus to the department level and by adopting more flexible policies, facilitate the continuous development in talent nurturing, scientific research, social service, cultural continuity and innovation, and international exchange and cooperation with all dimension, all sector and multi-level internationalization support, so as to fulfill the ultimate goal of building a prestigious university home and abroad with a global source, global presence, and global influence.